To change theme on a Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, start by opening Settings. Then you will have to navigate into Themes. And right here you can actually find a lot of different themes. But if you don't want to pay for the themes, click here and type free. There we go. As you can see right now, we are able to find some completely free themes. So if I want to get, for example, this Christmas, I have to just tap on it. Now I have to click download. We have to just wait for the downloading process, so it will take around a few seconds. And after that, we can click on apply. But before you actually apply, you can also customize it. So if you want to only change icons or system UI, then you can, for example, unselect lock screen and the home screen, and then click apply, and click apply one more time. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, theme was applied and the theme has changed. Now please leave a like.